Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Stuart here with us this afternoon, and Stuart has been compressed for a long time, and that's compressed his spine and the disc are getting thinner, and he's pinching on the nerves as a result of that, and it caused a herniation in the lumbar disc down here, which is going out into his SI joint and all the way down into his leg and his foot on that right side. Now, he's only been in here. This will be his 5th total treatment. And we started him 2 times a week for the first couple of weeks, and he did really good, but he missed his appointment on Thursday of last week and then had a little bit rougher weekend this weekend. So we call that an exacerbation or aggravation of an underlying condition. So we're going to show you how we treat that today. Let's have you flex your head forward and then backwards. See, we analyze someone's posture, every patient's posture, before and after the adjustment on every single visit. This is an integral part of our evaluation process because it evaluates the spine 3-dimensionally on the X, Y, and Z axes. Also, I can tell whether a person's been participating in their exercises or not, or sleeping on their side all the time, which Stuart has been. More on your back though, huh?
I'm trying on the back.
Yeah, you know what Try did though, right?
What's that?
Nothing. Okay, let's lay you down here with your pelvis there. You know what Yoda said, right? Do not try, do.
Yeah, there is not try. There is only do.
That's right. I'm a big Yoda fan. Slide down just a little bit. My first, Renee had never watched a Star Wars movie until she met me.
Really?
Yeah. She thought it was all a little corny, but I said, well, you're just so out of it.
You can learn a lot from Star Wars.
Hey, Yoda and the Force is like my martial arts training.
There you go.
There we go. And the chi. Okay, nice deep breath. Nope. There it is, right there.
There it was.
You feel that one lower?
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Justin, we need those new pins. As you can see, these pins are getting bent already.
Fat boys like
just
me.
lay there for a sec. No, it's not that. It's just this old man chiropractor strength. There you go. That's it. Excellent. We got a new one for you today.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, a new one for you, not for me.
I'm ready for it.
I think you'll like it. It's a knee chest, Onstead knee chest table.
Okay.
And it gets that lower thoracic. You know how tight you get right down that lower thoracic right there? Okay, let's come over here on this table now.
Sure.
Let me reposition this.
Sure.
There we go. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to have you put your knees right there and your face and chest up on here.
Okay. Any work particular with my arms? Can I brace
You can
myself
just
down
put them
there?
right there, yep.
Okay. That
Scoot
good?
your knees back this way, just a tad.
Towards the
This
wall?
way, yes sir.
Okay.
And then spread them apart about shoulder width. There you go. That's it. Just like that. Now, kind of let this sink right down in there.
Okay.
Let's see, he's got right here at this thoracolumbar areas where he gets so tight. So I'm getting a PL contact, pisiform. Oh yeah, I know you felt that one.
Oh yeah.
Yes sir. Okay, let's come over here now. Let's move the earth on that one.
Good night. Did you hear that? I heard it.
Oh yeah, you felt it. I did that on Joseph last week for the first time too. First time for him. I felt great afterwards. I don't know about you.
I feel good.
I feel great, yeah.
Had a good golf round, so it must have worked.
Who?
I did.
Oh yeah, what'd you shoot?
Shot a 76.
A 76?
Oh, see, he's bragging now.
That's good.
76, yeah. He'd be wanting to leave us and go on tour.
No. No.
He would if he could.
As long as I didn't have to be famous.
Oh, yeah. There we go. I see I've already got that lower one, so I'm not going to have to jump on that one so hard. There, see how much easier these move? Better.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, you're going to feel your head popping up a little bit now. There we go. That's it. Okay, let's turn you on your back now.
76, man. That's a good round right there.
Yeah.
I think the best round I ever had was a 70, 79, 78.
I only shot 76 one time. That was in Hawaii. That was when I was just playing unconscious. Wasn't trying. It's like that.
And that's when you play your best.
Yeah, when I think too much, try to analyze every shot, I mess up more. Just put your arms out like this.
Just takes one shot
That's
to throw
it.
the whole thing off.
Oh, yeah.
It's like that, just a little.
Heavy chested, Doc. You gotta remember.
You must have actually done that for a little bit. There it is. Okay, now just relax your leg in my hand here. There we go.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Very good. Okay, let's tip face this way.
Yep.
This way over here.
Yep.
There you go. There's all that loose noise in that table. Do you hear that?
It was his chain.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh man, my table's falling apart. There we go.
I lost one of my plugs too.
Yep. So I'm jerking everything around.
I don't mind. I feel better when I leave.
That's right. I got an old saying, you knock them out, I line them up. You know the only people that don't need chiropractic, right?
What's that?
The spineless.
That's true, that's true.
Alright. Let's stand you up here in front of the mirror. Okay. Yep. There we go. So unless you're a jellyfish, you need chiropractic care. I've adjusted cats and dogs and horses. Okay, let's flex you forward backwards because they got spines and nervous systems too. I even adjusted an iguana one time. Excellent. All right, this is your Houston chiropractor coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.